This is the double golden eagle in the key of F sharp, the drone flute in F sharp. And we make it out of Spanish cedar. We also inlay turquoise cabochons. And it does have 3 drone holes on the, I should say fingering holes on the drone side. And we put covers on them so you can choose which note you want to play as a drone. Here, obviously, with all the holes closed, it would be the same note, F sharp. Or you can uncover them one at a time. And here is its natural voice. I say natural because it's important to note that there are no audio enhancements on this, reverb or anything else. It's just exactly what the flute sounds like. So I'll play it as a single, as a double. Oh, and it does have 2 mouth holes, by the way. One for the melody side and one for the drone side. So you can play single or double. You can just go back and forth and choose. And I am going to play it as a single and double. And I'll also remove one of the drone notes so you can hear the difference. So, if you wanted to choose a different drone, let's remove the tie on the bottom note, start from the bottom. And this will be your drone note now, which is the same note as this right here. And it's important to note, we really suggest that if you're going to purchase a double flute, it's good to have the experience, some experience with a single flute. Only because it does take a little bit more breath control, and it's a little bit more complex. Not a ton, but it's really good to have played and have experience with a single native flute. It makes a big difference to switch over to the double. But they are fun.